Screen is not. Yeah, now it's okay. The first question is, what are the dangers of social media? Have you experienced only? Mm, Not on any social media and all, because as per my point of view, I'm in 12th now and I should study hard to achieve my careers and goal. But I heard from lots of my friends which are using these type of things. So they told us that there is some lack of privacy and all, and some random messages, some spams are there, and this type of things happen with them. Yeah, Muhammad.
Noor,
Okay.
Noor, Noor.
Yeah, hello guys, assalamualaikum. Okay, so today the topic is social media. According to me, social media is such a great platform which you can use and do anything what you want to, but it depends on you that you used it in a positive sense or in a negative sense. Like there are everything in the world has some advantages and disadvantages, as we know that it has also some bad things as we use it. So it totally depends on what, how, and what we use it. So as Manchu mentioned that she didn't use social media so because she's in 12th and she should study hard for her grades. So that's a good point, but I guess we can use social media in an appropriate way too, for our study purpose, and we can get so many knowledge through Facebook, Instagram, and this and that, because I used to gain knowledge from these platforms. And WhatsApp is also a social media, so we can't say that we don't use social media because we all are in WhatsApp nowadays. So the point is we are in this group because of the social media, because of the blessing of the social media we are enhancing our communication skill. And trust me, if it is not there, and if we are unaware of it, or if we think only that we should study and don't use it and don't use any WhatsApp or this, because WhatsApp is also a social media platform. It's not like that it is not social media, it's also social media. So we use WhatsApp frequently. We check our WhatsApp daily for all the time. Like we just woke up daily and check our WhatsApp that is there any message of our friends or something important. Communication maybe take place when we were sleeping. So that's the point. It's changed my life in a way that I used to learn so many things from it, and I know how to use it in a good way. So I always try to use. Time is also an issue. Like so many people use it so much. Like they do, and they have, and they are doing the wastage of time for themselves. So it always always do the things in a mediate form. Like don't do excess of everything is bad. We know that if we even eat rice excessively, so it also affects bad on our health. So same is the case with anything in the world. Always use everything in a moderate form. So if we use it in a balanced way, so it will also definitely affect us in so many good ways, and we can learn from it different things, scholarships. Even I used to learn through Facebook different ads of scholarship, Italy and France and etc. So this is the point, that you also gain some knowledge that what happening in the world, what is happening in your own country, what are people in about to, and fashion sense, and so much things that you can avail from Instagram, from Facebook. And WhatsApp is also there. It's actually, WhatsApp is a platform that is for our close ones. We have to talk with our friends, our siblings, that may be far away from us. We have to contact take in with us with them. So it's for that purpose, and for the information and all these things, I guess Facebook, Instagram, Twitter is such a huge and great platform that give us so many exposure. Twitter is for if you want to gain knowledge about politics and what happening in the world, what's happening in your own country, what politicians are tweeting about, actors, cricketers. So you must have a Twitter account. Although I don't use Twitter, I actually made an account on it, and I didn't use it so frequently, so I just forgot the password. But I'm thinking that I should make a tutor again. And I am also in Snapchat. I actually Manchu also, am I prolonging it? I just want to talk about it a little bit more. Clavish, please. Okay, so there is my sister who is just making a noise. So I use social media in a moderate form in this way that I don't add strangers in it. Like I have my personal friends that I know them personally. I just add them even in Facebook, even in Instagram, because I have some privacy issues. I know that I am not comfortable to share my pictures with anyone, so I don't add people whom I don't know. So it totally depends on you. You are the responsible for your privacy, I guess. So it depends on you. No one is going to evade your privacy without your consent. So don't add people if you don't want to. Add them who you can trust or who you want to in your friend list. Thank you so much.
Yes, Vincent. Actually, I'm doing dinner, so you guys please continue. Okay. Yeah, Mansu.
Okay, for the second question.
For second question, but
Mm,
Vincent, you first compare Vincent. Yeah.
Vincent, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello, hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello.
you
So,
you can proceed.
uh, I'm in the second question, right?
I think
Sorry.
you have to start from the first. After that, move
Okay.
to the second.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. So, what are the dangers of social media? Have you experienced any? Uh, I guess um, it could be for me it's the cyberbullying because for me social media is really I think the main reason behind social media or the main idea behind social media is the uh, for you to express yourself in a different way. So I guess because of social media, a lot of people post their point of views in life, in politics, their own perspectives, even pictures and some videos and everything, every stuff that on how you can express yourself. But because of that, of course, not all people will definitely like you or mostly those things that you posted on the social media. So um the if there's people, or let's say you gain the popularity, so you've got a lot of support from other people, but at the same time there are also people who will bash you or throw negative things on you. So I think it's the cyberbullying. They might cyberbullied if they know that you are easily affected of their opinions or how they react on your posts. Yeah, I think it's yeah for me it's cyberbullying. Then how has social media changed your life? Did it change for good or bad? Um, I think uh majority it's really uh for the good. Of course, I think it really changed our life, especially mine, in good ways because yeah, again, self-expression, and at the same time, um, through the years, social media really update itself that anything is possible, like not just comments or messages, but even media, and at the same time, a video call, everything. So I think compared to way back, I think more than 10 years ago, where every application stand on its own, like chat for chat and then video call for video call, but social media able to cater all of this. So I think um, uh, for most of the time it's for the good, although yeah there's a bad things that also happen, or its effect on our daily life, like its addictiveness. So yeah, it's more of the positive things on how you use the social media, but at the same time, if you abuse it, or if you don't guard yourself, you might be so addicted, and your time will be so consumed of it. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Thank you.
Okay. Then Kunal, you should continue now. No, Kunal is not. Srishti, you can continue now. Hello, Srishti, are you there? Mm, no response. Then, yeah, Burhanuddin audio is not connected. Then, Mohammed, tell me
Hello?
oh,
Hello?
please, yeah, please.
Manshu? Hello?
Who's
Am
this?
I
Yeah,
audible?
Srishti, oh my God.
Is there anyone left to speak? Then I will speak after that. Hello? Audible?
Yeah, please down your pitch, otherwise my ear drum will be.
I am saying that if there is anyone left, then give
No,
them chance.
you,
Okay.
Burhanuddin, am I audible? Burhanuddin, hello, Muhammad, what to do? I don't know.
Srishti, you can continue.
Okay. So question is positive. What I need to say, I mean, positive side of social media or the negative? Because the topic in the group is the positive effects of social media. Hello?
Look at the screen sharing and try to answer the question.
Okay.
First question: what are the dangers of social media? Have you experienced any?
Okay. What are the dangers of social media? By social media, we can uh, spam, hack. We can uh, hack someone's account, or someone can hack our accounts, and if or by social media we can stalk anyone. If uh, there is a stalking is also a danger of social media. And have you experienced any? Let me think. I don't think I experienced any of them dangerous. I don't. So next question is, how has social media changed your life? My life, social media. Okay, so social media has a lot of positive things and lot of negative things, right? So and social media is a wide space for the marketing also. If you want to market something, if if you have some product or something creative to show to show that thing to the world, then you can use that, and uh, and show that thing to the world. That's the thing that can help. And how question is, how social media changes? Okay, so it doesn't change my life, but maybe it's gonna change if I will try, because I'm planning for something on the social media platforms, and let's see it's gonna work or not, because I'm not sure about that. And did it change for the good or the bad? If it changed, maybe I don't know, it's gonna change for good or the bad. Maybe the response is the good, because I'm confident about my things and creativeness. So that's the thing. Am I done, or I have to speak more?
Yeah, you can speak more also.
Okay, the question is very short. What to speak about?
Okay, no problem. So anyone is left? Let me check. Actually, just okay. 1 minute. Oh. Okay. Now let's. Okay. Thank you, Srishti. Now I am starting. Okay. My voice is audible or not?
Audible. Audible. You are audible.
Yeah.
Speak.
So what are the dangers of social media? Have you experienced any? If I talking about the disadvantage of social media, so the best social media, the side effect of social media is you are losing your identity. Means yeah, someone can see can go your website, okay, your profile, and they can see your like visibility of means what you are doing. Means you can a person can easily theft your identity, okay. And second, a disadvantage which I found that if you see generally most of the like most of the like a person can identify or can monitor easily, because whatever you are doing tomorrow, what you are doing, you are posting in you in like in your profile, okay, in your through the post you are posting something that tomorrow what you are doing, okay. So anyone the illegal person can identify the person who is doing some wrong work, okay, they can easily monitor your work. Means you are daily easily monitor their work also. So there is security, there is no privacy is there, okay. So people will get use of negative way also, okay. And third side effect which I found that if you have a child, okay, they will be they also give like they can see the like offensive photos and videos, and they can distracted also, okay. So child also means there is no means our child also can see our profile what we are doing, okay. If there is any another kind of vulgar photo is there, any kind of adult photo is there, so if the child will see, so it will also create some kind of problem also. So these are the disadvantages there. So how is the social media change your life? Yeah, there are if you are, because everything if you are talking, there is some pros is there, there is some cons is there, okay. So if you are talking about the pros, there are advantage of social media. So there are a lot of benefit is there, because we know social media is one of the platform, it is a best communication platform, fast communication medium is there. If you want to transfer any kind of data, if you want to share any kind of content, okay, we can easily share. Like if you see in WhatsApp, if you see about the WhatsApp, a lot of these are, if you see these are the mediums are there. Like if you want to share the photos, videos, and other medium, Instagram you can use, YouTube you can use, Snapchat you can use, discussion forum is also there, share news idea through the Quora is one of the like to share if you want to learn some new things, if you have like stuck in somewhere else, through the Quora. If you want to search like in India which is the best hotel, you can find through the Quora, okay. So you for content creation you can use like Pinterest, Flipboard you can use, and consumer review and network purpose you can use Zomato, like Zomato also we are using. And these are the sources there, okay, for content creation, sharing some kind of information, for sharing some videos also, like services like Uber, trade good services. These are the mediums are there where we can like share our information, and where we will get some kind of advantage also. Yeah. So this is this is the things is there from my side. Anyone is remaining? Hello.
You all discussed about the advantages also, or only the disadvantages?
Both the things, like the same saying na, advantage also or
I think
disadvantages also. I
I
already
think I'm remaining. I hadn't means discuss about advantages.
so you can continue, no problem.
Okay, then yeah. About the advantages, if we are means having a good platform, if in Facebook and in Instagram we are having a good group for studying, we can we can get many type of extraordinary study material from these type of groups, and it will help us to enhance our knowledge in that particular subject. Because in school there are means some some compulsory syllabus is there, and up to that we don't have time to gain much knowledge about this, and we are having some great interest in a particular subject. We can join some groups also that this will help uh, us. And just like we are having a communication platform, it's all because of social media, and we are glad to have on this platform, and we all are respecting each other in this group. And yeah, and the other so according to me, if we are using any social media and all, we can put some advertisement of our business. This will help a lot for for creating a good business. We can advertise anything, and we can make some good friends whom we can share anything, because sometimes if we are having some close friends and family members, so sometimes it's hard to share something to them, and quite easy to share with this stranger, because gradually stranger become and a friend, and a best friend become a stranger. So this type of thing, we can use this in lots of positive manner. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Mansu, you mentioned a great. You mentioned. I'm agree with you. You mentioned a great point. Like you can do some kind of like advertisement also. Like if you see in my company also, they are also doing like if any kind of job opening is there, they are directly putting in the social media only, because they know that people are very curious to visiting the different social media like Facebook, Instagram. So they are using such kind of like companies and industry, they are using such kind of medium. Okay, so people can aware also. Sometimes there are a lot of disadvantages also there, but if you are talking about the advantage, a lot is there. So Burhanuddin, you want to talk?
And you can easily target your audience, like
I
Hello
think
Srishti, are you there?
Srishti is, I think some problem is there from Srishti
Uh,
side.
yeah, yeah.
hello,
Yeah, now audible.
now
I think
audible.
it's with your
Actually,
earphones. Okay.
I already speak my point. I think I'm not audible that time.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
no problem.
I'm saying that it's a great medium to target your audience. If you are going to start up something, then you can easily target your audience, and you know what who are going to see your product, or who are going to who are going to purchase your product, and you can easily reach to them and show them your product or your creativeness, or whatever the thing you are gonna show. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah, you're totally audible.
Okay, so that's what the thing I'm saying. It's a like now it's in the pandemic time. It's a lot. It's like a wide area for the marketing, because everything is shut down. But the digital, the and India is going to be digitally totally, like everything we are, whatever we want, everything is available on your phone or your laptop. Like everything is available on that, or everything is on social media. You can search for anything, whatever you want, like anything. It's like small to big things.
Yeah,
Hello,
totally
no one is
I agree
speaking.
with you, Srishti.
Yeah.
So we can get more benefit, just like e-learning, e-shopping, uh, e-business. This will help a lot to grow more and more.
Yeah, and it also help for the startups, or for the companies to minimize their cost, right? uh, when in the offline mm, time, they spend a lot of money for the staffing and mm, for staffing and for advertising their product, and for the, if they want to reach that to their customers, they have to advertise these things for and spend a lot of cost on that. But now if your product is have a potential, then you can easily grab the attention of your consumer or customer very easily. Like uh, if you make something like digital, if you are making something for learning or for making something course for any subject or for any profession, then you can easily find your audience and uh, give them your product to them. You don't need to spend a lot of money on that. Like you can easily uh, about the freelancing work, right? They can easily find freelancer and get get their work done from them, and they don't need to make their office. We can done everything on the laptop and sitting in our home or in the park or anywhere. You can sit there and you just need to uh, mm, you just need to give your work to them for the working on the freelancer, and they will work for you, and you just need to pay for them. You don't need to make a you don't need to invest in the making staffing and like furnishing and making an office. You can set up that thing after your work is like after earning something or get profit, right?
Okay, okay, right. Burhanuddin, that's great, Srishti. Burhanuddin, you want to talk?
I think he's
Burhanuddin.
not there. I think he is not there.
Okay,
Whenever he joined the
Mohammed.
meeting, he just stare in the camera on, and after that he didn't speak in any meeting.
Srishti, I think he is not able to connect the audio so that he
Maybe,
is not able to
maybe,
hear us. Because just like
maybe.
we, from April, I am much familiar to Zoom because having online classes and all, and
Yeah,
this type
maybe
of thing.
it's
So I'm much
maybe
familiar in 10 days.
there is some problem for the network. That's why he's not audible or